What's up, guys? It's Alan S. Walker, gonna be reviewing the Bluehost web hosting company. This is a awesome company that is powering over 2 million websites right now. And I'm going to show you the control panel. Click the link in the description to save 25 to 50% with this Bluehost coupon if you're thinking about signing up. And it's very, very cheap. They're very, very stable. It's highly recommended by Google. Google loves this company for web hosts. If you guys are unaware, Google also provides like Blogger and stuff like that, but it's not going to be like a .com where you have your own website. So Bluehost has a shared hosting plans. They have a basic, a plus, and a choice plan. Pretty much for a website, if you want one website, this is the plan to go with. If you want unlimited websites, you can go with either or. You're going to get one website, 50 gigabytes of web space. You can have park domains, subdomains, email accounts. It's going to pretty much be enough to run your website. They are pretty fast. I do have a website, several websites on there, and they are very, very fast. So far, I love it. It's very stable. They've been in business for about 16 years now, and they're doing very, very well. They also have WordPress hosting. Guys, this is just a gimmick that a lot of web hosting companies do, where they say, oh, it's WordPress hosting. Yeah, the other hosting is WordPress hosting too. You just have to install it. It's really not that hard. You know what I mean? So if you have a WordPress site or something and you're looking for a web hosting company, you want something very cheap, you want something that's very fast, you want something that has really good support. I mean, you can contact these guys, live chat, 2 a.m., 3 a.m., it doesn't matter, you know what I mean? So moving on, they have the cloud hosting, they have the VPS hosting if you need more power. Usually if you're starting out, if you're getting 10,000 visitors a month, you can definitely go with just a basic hosting plan. Don't spend a lot of money all of a sudden, guys, because if you get the other plans, you can always upgrade. So you don't have to worry about that. They're simpler, they're faster, and they are very safe. They also have a core check in the control panel. So this is pretty much the control panel. You're not going to get a C panel like you do with other hosting companies, like with HostGator and stuff like that. What Bluehost does is they integrate their own panel to make it very easy and smooth. So this is the control panel pretty much. This is what you're going to see when you sign up with Bluehost. You're going to see a back end. This is going to have your website on there. You're going to have helpful links here. So if you need to check out your file manager, you click on this. You want to check PHP My Admin, you should click on that to import your database. If you want to check out your database, create databases and users, you click on that. If you want to log in with FTP, you click on that. You can set it up. Your profile, billing information is right there. You can create a new site, and you can browse themes and stuff that they sell. When you click on the My Sites link, it'll just show your sites here. You can create another site by clicking on this button. When you click on this button, it'll take you to a process like this, and you'll be able to create a new site. They also have a marketplace in their back end, like features like site lock, just things that they sell, like 99 cents a month. You can get domain privacy, you can get this, you can get that. If you were just thinking about doing any of that. Like I said, if you guys get a website, this is going to be exactly what you're going to see. And you click on the email section. This is what you see. You can manage your emails. If you go to the advanced section, like I said, you're not going to get a C panel. You're not going to get a basic C panel account. This is going to be as close as you're going to get to a C panel if you don't want that easy to administer section. So here you can do your SSL certificates, SSH access. You can check out your bandwidth, your errors, your visitors, your file manager, your images, your disk usage, PHP My Admin for your databases. That's pretty much going to be the main stuff that you're going to use. A lot of the other stuff you're not really going to use. So it's an awesome web hosting company. I highly recommend it. Like I said, click the link in the description to save from 25 to 50% off your order by using the Bluehost coupon. that I have made available. I have a wonderful relationship with them. So people who do click on the link will be able to save money that a lot of people will not be able to find. So yeah, try it out. I mean, they have a money back guarantee, and they are very well known. They have 2 million websites right now that are powering, and they do have a 30-day money back guarantee. This is their money back guarantee right now. If you cancel within 30 days, your plan includes a free domain. Bluehost will deduct a non-refundable domain fee of $15.99 if you do purchase a domain with them. Obviously, they can't refund a domain because once you purchase a domain, they will purchase it, and then the domain is going to be available for a full year, depending on how many years you purchase it for. If you cancel within 30 days, you receive full refund on your hosting service only. The money-back guarantee does not apply to most add-on products, such as domains, give the unique nature of their costs. Bluehost does not offer any refunds for cancellations that occur after 30 days. So there's a lot of web hosting companies. You know what I mean? There's HostGator, there's iPowerWeb. I've tried all of them. I've tried iPowerWeb. I've tried HostGator. HostGator is annoying when it comes to their SSL. You can't install it yourself. You have to contact support. You have to do it a certain type of way. You have to send files to them. It's very annoying, very frustrating. I don't know why they do it like that. So yeah, like I said, Google recommends Bluehost. If you want your site indexed very well in Google, they like Bluehost because of the speed, because of the uptime. Bluehost has one of the highest uptimes in the industry at 99.9%. So you can be rest assured that your site will be up most of the time and will barely be down, if anything. So yeah, your storage is unlimited. Your bandwidth is unlimited. GoDaddy's expensive, you know that. Media Temple is expensive, you know that. So if you haven't tried Bluehost, definitely check it out. If you have just one website, you want to get your own website, you got to get your own domain, your own hosting company, definitely check out Bluehost. I highly, highly recommend them. It's an awesome company, has awesome support, 24/7, live chat, any problem you have, they will help you. And yeah, like I said, this is the back end. You have your domain privacy, your FTP connections, your metrics, your visitors, things that you can see. And this is pretty much their back end. This is all you're going to see. This is exactly what you're going to see. So when you sign up. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys try it or not. Like I said, click the link in the description to get a Bluehost coupon. Save a ton of money on your order when you do order. And you have 30 days to cancel whenever you want. If you have a domain already, all you have to do is change the name servers and point it to your Bluehost web hosting company. And your domain will be up and running. Everything is automated. You don't have to wait. You sign up and the whole process works. It's really that simple. So let me just show you the process right now. Let's say I wanted to do this one. So if you click on their chat, you type your name here. You're a new customer. You can type it in here, there. You put in, whatever you want. What issue can we help you with? Select the topic. Start chat.